today's next topic is vector space, internal composition in a vector space. Okay, what is an internal composition? A composition star is said to be an internal composition on V if alpha comma beta belongs to V implies A alpha star B belongs to V for every alpha comma beta belongs to V. Here star is an operation here. So star is an operation. Okay. V is the set of all vectors. V is the set of all vectors. Now we have to consider any two vectors in V. Then we apply the composition between these two elements. Then the resultant vector. Then the resultant element. So then the resultant element also in V. That is the internal composition. That is an internal composition. Okay, the internal composition is nothing but causal property or binary composition. Okay, next, for example, you have to consider here A. A is the set of all vectors. A is the set of all vectors and plus is a binary operation on A. Plus is a binary operation on A. Now we consider any two vectors in A, then we apply the composition plus between these two vectors, then the resultant vector also in A. That is the internal composition. Okay, now have to consider here again. You consider V as a set of all vectors and dot is the composition on A. Let us consider any two vectors in A. Then we apply dot between alpha and beta. Then the resultant element in A, that is alpha dot beta belongs to A. That is the internal composition. Not only for plus, subtraction, not only for plus, multiplication. You have to consider any other binary operations here. Okay, that is internal composition. Internal composition is nothing but binary operation or closure property. Okay. Next one is external composition. What is an external composition? A composition star is said to be an external composition in V over a field F. Okay, V of F over a field F means V of F. V is a vector space over a field F. F is the field of scalars here. F is the field of scalars. Okay, a composition star is said to be an external composition in V over a field F if A belongs to F and alpha belongs to V implies A star alpha belongs to V. That is the external composition. Let us consider here A. AB is the set of all vectors and dot B binary. Then dot is a composition on A and F is the field of scalars. Now consider here A in A. Alpha belongs to A and A belongs to F. That means alpha is a vector in A is the scalar in F. Then we consider the binary operation between composition between A and alpha. Here what is the composition here? Dot. A dot alpha belongs to V. That is the external composition. Let us take another example here. F is a field and V be a non-empty. Okay, F is equal to OR here. Next example is F is equal to OR. V is equal to A M by N. A is the set of all in the form of matrix here vectors. Okay, here F is equal to OR. Here 2 belongs to OR belongs to F. F is a scalar. F is a field of scalars. 2 is also a scalar here. Okay, it is in the form of 1 2 3 4 belongs to V. 2 into 1 2 3 4 is equal to matrix. It is in the form of matrix here and belongs to V. 2 into 1 2 3 4 is equal to 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 3s are 6 8 is belongs to V. That is the external composition. Okay.